Everything in this world is made of some sort of material. There is always some thought that goes behind it. Sometimes a material is used to reduce some kind of quantity, like cutting costs or reducing weight. Other times, an object is made with a certain material to increase some sort of quality, such as increasing durability or aesthetic. So, what is it that differentiates different materials? Why do people think about these things? Why do they bother? Well, different materials are good for different things. There are 4 primary categories of materials that people use today, each with their pros and cons and general applications.
Metals. Metals are great conductors of heat and electricity. They are used often in circuits and other electrical applications. They are strong, yet malleable and ductile, which is good for construction. They have high melting and boiling points, meaning they can stand a lot of heat. They become shiny when polished, which is why they're used for jewelry. Some common metals include bronze, aluminum, copper, and steel. Woods. Woods are among the first resources ever used to make things. They are cheaper than metals and are also easier to work with. They aren't as strong or as sturdy as metals, but they come with being lighter and more accessible. Lots of furniture, especially tables, are made of wood. People enjoy the aesthetic. Some common woods include plywood, pine, oak, and maple. Ceramics. We are most likely to see ceramics on our roofs, bathrooms, and kitchens, largely because they are tough and easy to clean. They are very versatile and can have many colors and designs. Sanitary ware such as toilets, sinks, and bathtubs are made from ceramic. They can be glazed and fired to become non-porous and become great for dealing with water, which not many other materials are. Some common ceramics include bricks, porcelain, cement, and concrete. Polymers. Nowadays, polymers are everywhere. The most common polymers we see are plastics. Plastics are lightweight, accessible, and durable. Polymers can be broken down into 2 main types: thermoplastics, which can be remelted, and thermosets, which cannot remelt. Some common polymers include polyethylene, polyvinyl chloride, polypropylene, and polystyrene.
Now, let's get technical. All materials have material properties, which are measurements of their qualities. There are 5 main material properties, they being strength, stiffness, toughness, ductility, and hardness.
Stiffness. How much something resists stretching under pressure. Strength. How much pressure something can take before it breaks. Hardness. The resistance to abrasion, deformation, scratching, or to indentation by another hard body. This property is important for wear-resistant applications. Ductility. Ductility is a measure of how much deformation or strain a material can withstand before breaking. The most common measure of ductility is the percentage of change in length of a tensile sample after breaking. Toughness. Toughness is resistance to impact loads. Tough materials can absorb a considerable amount of energy before fracture, while brittle materials absorb very little.
Everything in this world is made of some sort of material. It would be wise to study them and figure out which is best for what application. Because after all, form follows function.